Hello, my name is Zach,
It's me, I'm John.
and welcome back to the E-Zone at Home.
Today, we have a little bit of practice and review with Unit 8.
And we're also going to explain the final speaking exam and give some examples for you to practice.
And
Okay.
So, stop.
Now we're going to review the grammar for Unit 8.
Right, and let's get started on page 54 in your book, talking about countable or uncountable nouns.
Now, in my class, I say this all the time. This grammar is very easy to understand, but very, very, very hard to use, especially for Korean students.
Yeah.
Because it's so hard to remember.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. We've practiced this all our lives, so we can do it easily. We do it without thinking. But you have to stop, you have to think, you have to count.
You have to think carefully.
It's a pain in the butt. So let's look at it. When you want to say something is here. So I want to talk about this. I want to talk about this tree.
Yeah, there's one tree.
Exactly. If I just want to talk about the tree here, we have a special way of doing it. But before you can do that, you have to think to yourself, all right, number one, is this thing I want to talk about countable or uncountable?
Right.
Can I count these easily, or is counting annoying or difficult or doesn't make sense?
Do you want to count it?
Exactly.
Or do you not want to count it?
For example, with rice, I can count rice. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in one bowl of rice, there are so many that I don't want to count it. Do you want to count?
I don't want to count rice.
I don't want to count it either. So we think rice is uncountable.
So there is some rice.
Exactly.
There's a little rice. There's a lot of rice.
Exactly.
There's some rice.
We don't count it, and we don't even bother. So, if the answer is yes, this is uncountable, then good, that's easy. We use there is, we don't use a, we don't use an,
Right.
and we don't use s. There is rice. There is water.
There is tea.
Cars we can count. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars.
Yeah.
But traffic is a little different.
Traffic is moving, and it's not easy to count. You don't want to count all the cars.
Exactly. I could have traffic. Maybe the traffic starts here, and then there are a few cars, and the traffic ends here in 1 mile. And that's a lot of traffic. But then maybe later, there's this much traffic.
It changes.
Yes, we can still say this is one traffic from start to finish, 1. Or from start to finish, this is one traffic. 1 and 1, but they're very different.
Right. You don't count traffic like that.
Exactly.
It's not easy. You don't want to. And you don't have to.
Exactly.
Right? There is traffic. There isn't traffic. And this helps you explain how much traffic. Right?
Yep.
So that's another thing. With uncountable nouns, it's much. How much crime, how much tea, how much traffic, how much parking.
So, John, how much crime is there in Gangneung?
In Gangneung, there's very little crime.
I hope so.
There's almost no crime in Gangneung. How much parking is there in Gangneung?
Well, on campus at the university, there is a lot of parking.
Yeah.
But in Taekji, I'd say there isn't much parking.
Right. In Taekji, there are many cars, and there isn't much parking. On campus, students don't have cars. Only a few students have cars, so there aren't many cars,
Okay.
and there is a lot of parking.
So that brings us to our second point.
Mm-hmm.
When you're asking your question, can I count it easily or can I not count it? Countable, uncountable. Maybe your answer is yes. For example, cars. We can count cars easily. 1 car, 2 cars. Now, you have a countable noun.
In your book, on page 51, there's grammar explaining countable nouns. So, take a look and this helpful map to think about what is in your neighborhood.
Because
Okay.
stores, banks, grocery stores, payphones, these are all countable things.
Right.
When you have a countable noun, you have to then think one more thing. Is it one or is it many? If it's one, what do we say?
There is a car.
There is a car. We use there is, same as uncountable. There is a car. There is traffic.
Mhm.
But we also need a or an.
Right.
There is a car. There is an octopus.
All right, John, let's quickly practice. Is there a tree on the desk?
Yes, there is. There's a tree.
Yay.
And is there a Pokeball on the desk?
Yes, there is.
Okay.
Is there an elephant on the desk?
No, there isn't.
Are there any cats on the desk?
No, there aren't any cats. Are there any colored pencils on the desk?
Yes, there are.
Oh, there are some.
Yeah.
Okay. How about books? Are there any books on the desk?
Okay, yes. Now let's think about that. He said, "Are there any books?" That's many, right? The answer is yes, book, but only one. So how do I answer that, John?
So because it is one book, there is one book, you have to say, yes, there is a book.
Exactly.
Even though my question was, are there any books? Yes, there is a book. Sometimes your answer, it's one. It's a countable noun and only one.
Mhm.
So how do students do the final speaking exam?
Outside of the exam room, you will see these papers. They are pretty much the same as the papers for the midterm exam, so it's pretty easy. Before your test, please write your information on the paper. Your English name, your Korean name, your class number, and your student number.
Great.
After they've written their stuff down, when it's time to go into the classroom,
So, both people will say, hello, my name is Zach.
Hello, it's me. I'm John.
And then you give your paper to the teacher.
Right. And what are these things here, Zach?
Well, these are the test topics, John, the conversation topics. So, after you've given your paper to the teacher, when you are ready, you and your partner will choose one test topic. Now, notice, if we choose one of these, it is actually 2 pieces of paper.
Yeah.
One for student A and one for student B.
Okay.
So, you read your topic.
Okay.
If you have any questions, ask your partner first. What's this word
Yeah,
here?
what is it? But you have to use English, right?
You have
It's
to
still
use English.
EOP the whole time. Good. Okay. Oh, that means blah 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 blah.
Oh,
Oh, got it.
yeah, I got it.
Now, who will start talking first?
Oh, good question.
Rock, scissors, paper? Rock, scissors, paper. Ah, okay. You go first.
Okay,
I win.
so we make a plan. I'm going first, he's going second. We can talk about our topic and we can make a little plan.
Mhm.
All right, I want to talk about blah, 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 blah.
About the beach?
Yeah, the
Okay.
beach. You
Good.
talk about
Uh,
the mountains.
sounds good. All right.
Okay.
You go first.
Okay, and then we will start our conversation.
What if I choose a topic and I don't like the topic.
Oh yeah, I don't like this topic either.
But-
No, I don't want to do it. Let's do this one.
No.
No, you can't do that.
You can't cancel. You have to try.
Yeah.
Every
So-
topic you choose.
You choose a topic. Oh, this one's really hard.
Mm,
Okay, make a plan, try the conversation, and then maybe you can finish quickly.
right. You have to try. You have to start the role play. The other teacher, if they see after 1 or 2 minutes it is difficult, then they will say, okay, stop and choose a new topic. But students, you have to try.
You have to try.
Let's do it.
All right.
Give me your papers, please.
I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach.
Hi, I'm John.
Hi, John.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Go.
All right. Invite your partner to do something important.
Oh, your partner will invite you. Schedule a plan to join them to do something.
Okay.
What is invite?
Invite is like ask to do something. Ask to do
Oh.
something. Like,
Ask me.
Yeah, I'll ask you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'll ask you to do something.
Make a schedule.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. So remember in the grammar
Mhm.
there was would you like and
Okay.
I'd love to, but. So maybe
Ah.
first
Yes.
you say no, but then you say yes.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
Hi John.
Hi, Zach.
Would you like to kill Smaug the dragon this weekend?
I'd love to, but I'm busy.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm going to Seoul. I can't this weekend.
okay. Well, would you like to destroy the One Ring of the enemy Sauron next week?
The One Ring? Yes, but next week I have final exams. We're busy next week.
How about next weekend after
Next
final
weekend.
exams?
Yes, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Let's destroy the One Ring after we finish our final exams.
All right. What
Okay.
time?
Oh,
What
well,
time can we meet?
is it Saturday or Sunday?
Let's meet Saturday.
Okay. How about Saturday morning?
Oh, I can't in the morning.
Okay.
Can you meet Saturday afternoon?
Yeah. Let's meet Saturday afternoon at 2 o'clock at the E-Zone.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All
See you
right.
then.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Good job, Zach and John. Please pick another topic.
Okay. Pick the next one. One more. Okay.
All right. Describe your school.
Me
What
too.
is-
Describe your school.
What is describe?
Describe is talk about, say information. What is there?
Okay.
Right? Do you know?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Describe. Okay. Describe your school. So let's do rock scissors paper. 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 Okay. You go first.
Okay.
You ask the first question.
All right. Okay. Where do you go to school, John?
I go to school at Hogwarts. At your school, is there a soccer stadium?
No, there isn't. There's a Quidditch stadium.
Really? A Quidditch stadium?
Yes.
Oh,
Are there many teachers at your school?
yes, there are.
Are there many wizards?
Yes, there are many wizards.
Oh.
Is there a black cat at your school?
There are many black cats
Oh,
at my school.
Really?
Is there a lot of crime at your
Oh.
school?
There's a little crime.
Oh,
Yeah, there's
Slytherin.
some
Yeah.
bad guys.
Slytherin.
And
I'm in House Gryffindor.
really? Is there a game master at your school?
Yes, there is. His name is Hagrid.
Oh, okay. And ask me one more question.
Oh yeah, you ready for this
I'm
one
ready.
last question?
I'm ready.
How do you like your school?
I love my school. I think it's the best school ever. How about you? How do you like your school?
I really like my school too. It's very nice. There are a lot of fun classes and things.
Okay.
Um,
Hey, what time is it?
I don't know.
Do you have class?
Oh, yes, I have a class now, so
All right.
nice to see you, John.
Bye, Zach.
Bye. Okay, thank you, Michael.
Bye.
Don't you forget about me. Don't.
Well, thank you guys for watching. This is our last video.
Yeah, it's been so fun. Thank you.
Definitely. We hope that this video and all the videos help you to learn English faster and better.
Right. And for Unit 8, for this video, there's no homework assignment. Congratulations. But you should watch all the videos again.
Yeah,
That will help you get ready for the final exams.
exactly. And if you want to practice all the grammar in the book, you can go to the book's website. That's www.cambridge.org/interchangearcade, and you can practice all of the grammar on that website.
Good.
Okay. Well, thanks again, and see you in class.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.